In this version of ProjectClimb video tutorial series, I'm going to add a new topo. So I've gone to Dennet Blake Bluff Crag here, added a new topo. You get two choices for topo types. One is upload a picture or a hand-drawn topo. Picture of the crag, fairly simple. Photo you've taken of the crag, you can draw the root lines on it. Hand-drawn topo assumes you have the root lines already drawn, and what we want to do is add the root markers. In my case, I already have a photo of the crag, so I'm going to go ahead and open that and upload it. Preview the photo, make sure it's the right photo. Add a topo name. Important part here is to add the pictures that are located on this particular topo. These are the ones where we'll have root lines on this topo for. I'll choose a gardener and triangles. One thing to note, do not resize your browser. If you resize the browser, it will go ahead and move some of the root lines that you've already drawn, which will be quite annoying. Left-hand side here, I can grab the picture root, drag it on the topo. It creates a little box here. I can go ahead and drag the whole root line over. There's multiple control points here. The top one is the anchor, and then there's 4 control points, so you can go ahead and move the root line. The bottom is the root marker, so we can locate the pitch on the actual topo. Drag those down over top of where the root goes on the topo. If I highlight over top of the actual box here, if I want to go ahead and move everything, I can move it all over by just grabbing this white box and moving back and forth until I sort of realign it. If you're interested in forgot, this particular marker is for the gardener. If you highlight over top of this is marked for the gardener, pitch 1. Go ahead and associate it there. I'll put on triangles. Throw that onto the correct area here. One thing to note is that this is white on white, but when we render it, it will actually come up as a black line. I'll show you that in a minute. Go ahead and add the root marker as well. When we're done and all the pitches have been added, making sure you add all the roots and pitches, we can hit Update Topo. That's going to render it into a photo, and we can go ahead and have a look to make sure that the root lines look good. If we need to go ahead and continue editing, we can do so. We can go backwards and we can go ahead and edit now the root lines that we've added. Perhaps making some adjustments needed. Hit Update Topo. Note that once we are finished, we're not able to go ahead and edit this topo anymore. We actually have to recreate it from scratch. We got to go ahead and add all the root lines on again. So make sure when you are finished, you're actually finished. Hit finish. And that's going to go ahead and publish our topo. And there we go.